Next topic of the reproduction in flowering plant is development of female gametophyte. Female reproductive organs of the flower is gynoecium. It is the female sex organ of the flower. Their single unit is carpel or pistil. Carpel or pistil. Each carpel is made up of three parts. Swelling part, swelling base is ovary, elongated duct is style, and disc-like structure is stigma. Each carpel is three parts: ovary, style, and stigma. And within the ovary, ovule is present. So ovule represents the female gametophyte. So in this topic, we will study or we will discuss about the how ovule is formed. Within the ovary, ovule is developed. Suppose this is ovary. Within the ovary, the small stalk arises, which is called as funicle. And funicle is developed in the form of ovule. This is the base, which is called as raphe. So raphe is the junction where the ovule attends with the funicles. Main part of the ovule is made up of simple parenchymatous tissue, which is called as nucellus. Main part of the ovule, which is made up of simple parenchymatous tissue, it is nucellus. And this ovule is covered by two integuments, outer integuments and inner integuments. This is the two coverings of ovule, outer integuments and inner integuments. It is the small space or pore where integuments is absent. This small minute pore is called as micropyle. Micropyle is the space where the pollen tube is entered into the ovule. And just opposite of micropyle, the region is chalaza. So chalaza and micropyle both are vertically situated. This type of ovule is called as anatropous ovule. When the chalaza and micropyle both are vertically situated, this type of ovule is called as anatropous ovule. Out of nucellus cells, any one cell is act as a megaspore mother cell, that is MMC. Remember, pollen mother cells, which is present in the sporogenous tissue of anther, but this is the megaspore mother cell, which is also diploid in nature. Mega mother cell. Megaspore mother cells again passes through meiosis division. So after first meiosis division, it formed the two haploid megaspore. So haploid megaspore, that is single set of chromosome. And after the second meiosis division, it forms 4 megaspore. The net result of meiosis division of megaspore mother cell is 4 haploid megaspore. Out of 4 megaspore mother cell, 3 become degenerate. Out of 4 megaspore, 3 becomes degenerate. That is, they are disappear. Only one functional megaspore is left out. This is functional megaspore. This functional megaspore successively passes 3 mitotic division. This is functional megaspore. This functional megaspore passes through 3 mitotic division. After the first mitosis division, it forms 2 megaspore. Then second mitosis division, it forms 4 megaspore. And after the third mitosis division, it forms 8 megaspore. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total 8 megaspore is formed, or total 8 nucleus is formed. So these are all haploid cells, because megaspore mother cell passes through the meiosis division. So first meiosis division से 2, second meiosis division से 4 haploid megaspore बना. Out of 4, 3 become degenerate. Only one functional megaspore is left out. It passes through successively 3 mitosis division, first, second and third. So what is the result of third mitotic division? 8 haploid megaspore is formed. So within the ovule, it is arranged in embryo sac. Out of 8 nucleus, 1 act as an egg. Out of these 8 megaspore nucleus, 1 act as an egg. This is the female gamete. And both sides of egg, it is supported by the supporting cells or synergid cell. Egg is supported by the synergid cells, which forms the filiform apparatus. This filiform apparatus guides the entry of pollen tube into the embryo sac. And 3 megaspore or nucleus situated at the chalazion region, and they act as an antipodal cell. They act as an antipodal cell. And remaining 2 nucleus or megaspore assembled in the form of one cell. This cell is called as a central cell. And these 2 nucleus act as a polar nucleus. Okay, so count how many nucleus or megaspore? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So these 8 nucleus arranged in a embryo sac. This structure is called as embryo sac. Within the embryo sac, 8 nucleus arranged as a manner. 3 act as a antipodal cell on the chalazion region. 1 act as a egg. 2 act as a synergid cells or supporting cells. And 1 is a central cell within the 2 polar nucleus. So 8 nucleus and 7 cell structure. So finally, ovule consists of embryo sac. Within the embryo, 8 nucleus and 7 cell structure. This is female gametophyte of the flowering plants.